Hello guys, quickly let me teach you how to make this amazing palms. Now what you have to do, get your sew pattern, get to trace it and bring out your floor. While you're bringing out your floor, you have to minus 2 centimeters from your main pattern, then cut it out, and that will give you your floor. Now your floor is where your foot will be resting, so watch out. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, try as much as you can to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment. If you have questions, please ask your question using the comment section. Also, copy the link of our videos and share on your social media platform, on WhatsApp, on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Twitter, your X, on Instagram, wherever you can share. Just share on your social media platform. Tell others about our channel, and you're welcome. Let's dive into the lesson properly. Thank you. So like I said, you're going to trace your sew pattern first, then minus 2 centimeters from it. That will give you your floor. Your floor is where your leg will be resting, don't forget. So when you trace out your floor using 2 centimeters out of the your main sew pattern, now you have to cut it out. Carefully trace round. Now you see the position of the pen on my hand. Okay, cut it out. Watch carefully. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Once you're done cutting it out, now watch. This is what I have, and this is my main sew pattern, and this is my floor. All right, watch. That's my floor. This is my sew pattern. All right, so I'm going to trace now. Now we have Maco 6, foreign Maco 6. We're going to trace. Now I'm using 3 layers here. All right, so I'm using 3 layers, so you have to trace 6 of these, left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. That's 6. That's 3 pairs. 6. You're tracing this Maco in 3 pairs. That's 6 of them, and you're going to join them together. You join 2 layers together firmly, that is completely, while you join the last layer on the top partly you're going to join. So watch out what I'm saying. Don't forget to subscribe, make sure you watch to the end. Now I already have my Maco cut out. This is my main sole. This will be the outer sole of the shoe. All right, so once you trace this out, you're going to cut it. Now you're cutting on top of your line. If you want, cut it on top. If you don't want, you can cut it outside the line, okay, because you're going to file it. Cut it out gently. So once you're done cutting this, now this is the join I'm talking about. I'm going to join the first 2 layers of my Maco together. All right, I'm joining them together completely. I'm joining together, so watch out. All right, so once I'm done joining together, then the 3rd layer, now I'm going to join it partly. Like, I'm not joining the 3rd layer completely the way I do this, so you're going to just watch out. Don't forget, you have to allow your gum to dry, okay. Alright, now this will be my last layer. There's the 3rd layer where you'll be extracting your floor from. Alright, you're extracting your floor from this. Now you see how I'm rubbing the gum for this layer. Now I'm not rubbing it completely, just rub it at the tip of your Maco. Alright, rub it at the tip. Watch, then you join it. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me about what you feel about my explanation. Am I rushing it? Are you understanding at all? Okay, let's join. Partly join together. Right, now you join. Watch, you can see this. Right, I'm joining this partly joined together. Remember, the first 2 layers is completely joined together. The 3rd layer, which is the last layer at the top, is what's partly joined together. The same thing with the down layer, the last That's your major sole, your main sole now, your outer sole. You're joining it partly together at the under. So top and the under will be what partly joined together, while the middle layers, the two Maco at the middle, will be completely joined together. Don't forget, I'm taking my time to explain this thing so that you guys don't get to ask so many questions. Okay, that's me getting to go to filing now. I'm filing my show now. You have to file when you join. You make sure you join everything together, file them to shape. Alright, find them to shape. That's what I'm doing. File them to shape. Alright, now you're done with this. You're done with this. You're filing. Now you're going to bring out your floor now. We are using our floor pattern now. Place it exactly, then you trace it, then you cut it. Now you're going to see the reason why we did not join the last layer completely, why we partly join it together, because we're going to extract our floor from it. Alright, so watch. Don't forget to subscribe, please. If you're new here and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like what I'm teaching and you wish to bless me with data or finance or money or funds, you can reach out to me on 09035539885. That's my WhatsApp number. If you wish to send me data, you can also send to this number 09035539885. Data, recharge card, or money. That's my OP line. If you're in Nigeria, I want to send me money. If you're in African country, anywhere you are in the world, you want to send me funds to for me to continue doing this and buying data to bring amazing videos like this online, please reach out to me using my WhatsApp line 09035539885. Don't forget my WhatsApp line. If you're outside Nigeria, you can add my country code +23435539885 +2349035539885. If you want to bless my life, you can reach out to me using that number. Thank you. And if you have any question, you can also reach out to me using that same number. Thank you. Okay, now we already bring out our floor. We just cut it out slantly. We cut it out using our cutter. Now we are going to wrap it. I'm wrapping with a light material here. Okay, I'm wrapping it with light material. Right. Okay. So you cut and wrap. You cut and wrap. Hope you're understanding this. Now I get to wrap. Carefully you wrap around. Make sure it doesn't have squeezes. Alright. Okay. Then you close up, you lock up. Yeah. Watch the movement of my hand to avoid squeezing your work. Watch carefully. Now once you're done with that, you have to wrap your middle layers now, where you'll be placing your floor. You have to wrap it also. So watch. Now here I use 4 centimeter wide, then the length it's around 12 centimeter or so. Like just get something long enough to cover up, to go around this particular floor. Alright, so depending on your size of shoe that you're doing now, just get something long enough to wrap it up, okay, and something wide enough that will wrap it up also. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to wrap now. You're wrapping. Watch. Now you start your wrapping from the inside. Start from the inside of your shoe. Inside. Alright. That is the curved side from the inside, okay? Wrap. Watch. That's what I'm doing. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. Good. Cut it out. Carefully wrap, okay? Watch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, tell me your observations. Tell me what you observe. Ask your questions using the comment section. Alright, I'm trying to wrap. For me to get a neat work, I'm trying to use my plier to wrap it up. Alright, okay, so you see my insole, my floor, and my outer, so everything is wrapped up. So I'm going to form the top now. That's my top. Alright, that's what my top will look like. After cutting out your top, you get to sew it, turn it over, then you have your top ready for lacing. And I'm going to go for sewing, that's stitching it, then I'll go for lacing of the shoe. Alright, so I'm done with my top. I'm lacing the shoe now. Lacing my shoe. Alright, yeah, you got to lash. We're done lashing. All we have to do now is scrape the under of the shoe, then rub your gum to place your floor first. Place your floor first, then you get to place your outer sole, and your shoe is ready for use. Alright, watch. Alright, watch what you're doing. So all it is remaining is for you to place your floor, yeah, with the top last on it. You place it, heat it up, apply force on it, and your shoe is ready for use. So you watch what we have here. It's amazing work. See what we have. Yeah, that's our shoe. We are amazing. We are ABC Shoes. On YouTube we are GTPicals in the shop. Alright, so thank you for watching. God bless you. Please reach out to me 0903-553-9885. Bless my life with recharge card, data, money. Just reach out to me on WhatsApp if you want to do any of those, and God will bless you. Thanks for watching once again. I hope you learned something.